Ms. Boswell's here in court by video from jail holding. Mr. Sproles is present by video. Teresa Nelson with the District Attorney's Office is present by video. We're here today for an arraignment. However, in reviewing the court file, it appears that the case has not been submitted to the grand jury. General, where are we on the grand jury action?
Your Honor, the state had hoped to have her indicted by today's date. However, the voluminous nature of the file, we've not been able to have that case presented to the grand jury. And for the court's benefit, I know you're not aware, but Mr. Sproles is aware, and he has attempted to view, in my presence, the two of us have attempted to begin reviewing the recorded interviews of the defendant. And Mr. Sproles, I think, would confirm there's more than probably 25 hours of just video interview of the defendant. And it is necessary for me to review all of that material before that case is presented to the grand jury. I have been working on that, but at this point, I'm not quite ready. I think Mr. Sproles would confirm. I mean, it requires multiple hours just to get through one recorded interview.
What's your time frame? What are you thinking? How far out do I need to?
If we could set another appearance date, possibly in June, the goal would be that she would be indicted either on May the 20th or the next grand jury in June.
Let's set it for June the 19th at 9 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
Judge, that's fine. We would ask to set an earlier date. We'd like the court to take a second look at her bond in light of the situation here with the how long it's taken to complete the investigation. So if we can have an earlier date, we'll have a bond motion filed with our reasons for the court to review it.
How long do you need to get that filed?
Judge, I drafted it this week, but I want to tweak it a little bit, so I can have it filed early next week.
Judge, would it be possible for us to, if we do set an earlier date, for it to be after that May 20th date? That's the next, I think that's the next grand jury.
I'm going to leave it on June 19th right now.
That's fine.
But I'll set a bond, just set a bond motion for May the 28th. At 9 o'clock.
And Your Honor, I would just ask that it be filed close enough in time so I have time to respond.
Mr. Sproles, you said you'll get that filed next week?
I'll file it next week. I will. Like I said, I've drafted most of it. I just need to review it. And I think I was muted earlier, but I confirmed what General Nelson was saying. We started watching those videos together, but it's just time consuming.
All right. Okay. So, Mr. Sproles, you'll have
one other issue.
Go ahead.
I'm sorry. Go ahead, Judge.
I was going to say,
one other issue that we may.
No, you go, and then I'll talk.
Go ahead, Judge.
Okay. Mr. Sproles will have
one other issue is on the. I'm not gonna say anything else.
You'll have your motion motion to rehear the bond hearing filed no later than May 15th. We'll have the bond hearing on May 28th. If she's not indicted on that day, we'll have the arraignment for June the 19th. Those court dates are all at 9 o'clock. Now, what were you saying? One other issue is what?
Judge, one of the issues on the order, the protective order that was filed under seal, the court interlineated an additional part of that I'd like to address, but that may be something we need to do in chambers since it's filed under seal.
All right, if you want to file something for me to look at.
Okay, I'll do it that way.
Is that pleading, Judge? Will that pleading be filed under seal since it references something that you have placed under a protective order?
Yes.
So
But
I'll just tell clerks when I
Have them
file
make a copy so I can look at it and file it under seal. Okay, anything else?
No, Judge.
No, sir, thank you.
All right. Thank you, Ms. Boswell. That's all for today.
Thank you, Your Honor.